Hey guys, my name is Zena. I'm the editorial director for Hum Nutrition, here to do our monthly unboxing and yes, a very special giveaway for you. So the way it works at Hum is you take a 3-minute quiz, you get personalized vitamin recommendations from a dietitian, and then those vitamins come to you every month in a box with a little gift from us. This month, our box, ooh, it's gorgeous. I feel like we say this every month. We're like, it's my favorite, but truly, I just feel like this was such a breath of fresh air in my mailbox right now. So I don't know about you, but we're feeling a little escapist at Hum and thinking positively ahead to the future. And so our theme this month is planning your next great adventure. So daydream in there, think about where you want to go. I'm wearing my Hawaiian shirt today because I'm feeling very much like I'd like to be on a beach again somewhere. Inside of our box is our monthly magazine. There's a lot of great stuff in here. A letter from our co-founder, Walter, info about our free gift to our subscribers, which we're gonna get to in a minute. There's also a testimonial from one of our Hum users. Be sure to tag us at Hum Nutrition on Instagram, guys, so we can see your stories, maybe put you in our next magazine. And inside, we did this beautiful map of California and just celebrating all of the natural resources California has, these beautiful parks that we're bookmarking to go to on our next adventure. So be sure to check that out. We also included Hum headquarters. I love this. I love this whole thing. It's gonna be great on my fridge. Along with our personalized vitamin subscription, our subscribers also get a free gift every month. And this month it is the fantastic face wash from Ursa Major. So I have a blog post that I will link below with the co-founder of Ursa Major, Emily Doyle, and they have a really cool story. It's all about how she and her partner Oliver were working and kind of overly stressed in New York City, and they both just wanted to spend more time in nature. So they packed it up, moved to Vermont, and started this really beautiful, clean skincare line that is just inspired by their time outdoors. This face wash is cedar and spearmint scented, so it like two of my favorite scents. It just is so refreshing. I love anything that has that like woodsy scent. So all of their products are like this really great way of bringing nature into your skincare routine. If you can't go outside, you might as well feel nature on your face, and that's exactly what they do. Our subscribers are also gonna get 15% off on Ursa Major's website, so that is in our pamphlet. There's a special code there. Always hooking it up for our people, you know what I mean? Finally, Ursa Major is sponsoring our giveaway this month for all of you watching on YouTube right now. And we are going to give one lucky winner a box with 3 Hum vitamins of their choosing. It'll come with the Ursa Major Fantastic Face Wash sample, of course, and Ursa Major is also going to give the winner $125 to shop on their site. Holy moly, what a good prize. So to enter, here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna like this video, you're gonna make sure you're subscribed to our channel, and then you're gonna comment below with what your next great adventure destination is going to be. Let us know those things. We'll pick one lucky winner at the end of the month. We'll notify them in the comments. You can see all those details below. So that's it, guys. Good luck to everybody entering the giveaway. A big, big thank you to our friends at Ursa Major. Be sure to check them out. We'll link all of their information below. You can find them online at ursamajorvt.com or on social at ursamajorvt. Until next time, we will be back with more giveaways. Make sure you're subscribed. See you soon. All right, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.